Hi friends, this video shows how to convert kilometer to miles. Kilometer to miles. For converting kilometer to miles, we have to perform a simple multiplication by 0.621371. Here, first of all, we have to enter the kilometer. That is, the user input is kilometer. For that, we have a variable kilometer equal to, then convert the kilometer value to floating point number for multiplication with the floating number. Float input, enter kilometers. Okay, then miles equal to kilometer star 0.621371. Then print miles comma miles. Then by executing this code, we have to enter a kilometer value 20 kilometers. Then converting this 20 kilometer to miles, we get the value 12.42742. If we execute one more time and the kilometer value is 30 and we get the miles 18.64113. Thanks for watching this video.